Hi boys and girls, so this is our worksheet for maths today, and I'm going to break it down just a little bit for you to help you understand what you need to do. Hey boys and girls, so for our lesson today, we're learning about patterns, and we're learning about working out what number comes next. Now when we have the rule, this helps us work out what comes next. If you have a look at our number sentence already, there's 10, 14, 18, 22. So what I'm going to do is, using my number chart, I'm going to highlight those numbers first. So I'm going to highlight 10, 14, 18, and 22. Now the rule says that it's plus 4. So my next three numbers need to be bigger because I'm adding, and I'm adding by 4. So if I've got 22 and plus 4, that's going to be 23, 24, 25, 26. And then I'm going to write that next number in my sentence. Now I have 26, I need to plus another 4. So if I've got 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, that's my next number. And I'll record that. Now I need to plus 4 to 30. And that's really easy because I know if I've got 30 plus 4 more is 34. So I'm going to highlight 34 and write that next in my sentence. So every time you see plus 4, it means that you're adding 4 each time for the rule. Okay, so here's our next question, and the rule is plus 6. So remember, every time when I see a plus, I get bigger. I need to add, and this time I'm adding 6. But first I'm going to highlight on my number chart all the numbers that are in my number sentence so far. So I have 16, 22, 28, 34. And if I double check, I know that they're adding 6 each time. So if I've got 16 plus 6 more, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. If I've got 22 and I plus 6, I need to get to 28. 22, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it gets me to 28. So now I'm at 34, and I need to add 6. So 34. Oh, I know that's a friends of 10. I know if I have 4 plus 6, it makes 10. So I have 34 plus 6. I should get to 40 because that's the new 10. But let's double check. 34. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I was right. So I'm going to record 40 next. Okay, now 40 plus 6 is very easy because it's 46. So highlight 46 and record that in my number sentence. And last one, 46 plus 6, so 46. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, too far. Let's start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 52. And that's how you continue the number sentence with the rule plus 6. Next, you might see a rule that says take away 5. Now this is different to when we see a plus in our rule. When we take away, our numbers get smaller, so we go backwards. So first off, I'm going to highlight the numbers that are in my number sentence so far. So I've got 45, 40, 35, 30. Oh, I wonder if you can notice the pattern on the number chart as well. Okay, so I'm taking away 5. So if I'm at 30 and I take away 5, I need to count backwards. So 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25 is the next one. And I'm going to record that in my sentence. Now I know if I have 25 and I take 5 away, just like I do with friends of 10, if I have 10 and I take 5 away, it gives me 5. So if I've got 25 and I take away 5, I'm going to end with a 0. And I think I'm going to end in 20, but I'm going to double check. So if I'm at 25, take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I was right. Oops, I didn't highlight that one. I get to 20. So I'll record that in my sentence. Now I need to take 5 away again from 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it gets to 15. And that's my next number, 15. And you can see the number patterns on the chart as well. So the numbers that end in 5 and end in 0. So I want you to remember, when you see a rule that says take away a number, it means you're getting smaller and you need to go backwards. Okay, so at the bottom of our sheet today, you would notice the question, create your own number pattern and show me, as well as don't forget to write down the rule. And this is where I can plus a number or take away a number. I'm going to challenge myself today, and I'm going to write my rule down first, but I'm going to do a rule, and it's going to be plus 15. And then that's when I need to record 6 numbers following that pattern or that rule. The first number I'm going to start with, I'm going to highlight, and I'm going to start with 15. Okay, and now to work out, and I'll write that in my number sentence. Now I need to work out, if I've got 15, what's 15 more? Well, I know double 15, or 15 plus 15 is 30. But I'm going to double check my thinking, and I'm going to use my number chart. If I look at the number 15, I know that 15 is made up of 10 and 5. So 15 plus 10 gets me to 25. And I need to add 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it gets me to 30. Amazing. So I'm going to write that as my next number. Now I'll just erase 25 so I don't get confused. Okay, now I've got 30 and I need to plus 15. Again, I'm going to think about how I can do the jump strategy. And I know that 15 is made up of 10 and 5. So if I've got 30 plus 10 is 40. And then 5 more is 45. So I'll highlight 45. Awesome. Again, 45 plus 15. I'm going to plus 10, which is 55, and another 5 more is 60. So I'll highlight that. I wonder if you can notice the pattern on the number chart. Again, we need to work out the next pattern. So let's work it out. Let's break it down again. 60 plus 10 is 70, plus 5 more is 75. And 1 more, 75 plus 10 is 85, and 85 plus 5 more is 90. So there's my number pattern for today that I've created. So it's your turn to complete all those questions and create your own number pattern on the worksheet. Try and challenge yourself. And remember, if you see a plus sign, it means add more, you're getting bigger. And when you see a takeaway sign or taking away, that you need to get smaller and go backwards. Have fun.